treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, one-touch window functionality, automatic temperature control, and a split-folding rear seat. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.